Welcome back, everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use PowerShell to navigate through folders, also known as directories. I have a two-window setup to better show what's going on with both PowerShell and File Explorer. By default, an elevated PowerShell starts in the C Windows System32 folder. The get location command outputs the folder path that I'm in to the console. For those that are more familiar with the Linux command or command prompt commands, the alias pwd can be substituted for get location. To move to another folder, use the set location command. Type the command followed by the path to set the location to. The alias cd can be used as a substitute. If I wanted to change to another folder, I can navigate to the folder in File Explorer and copy the path from the address bar and paste into PowerShell. Another technique using File Explorer is to hold Shift and right-click on the folder and select Copy as Path to copy the folder path to the clipboard. This is particularly useful as it includes double quotes, which is needed for paths with spaces. You can also use relative folder paths. Using ... with cd will change the current working directory to the parent directory. A !backslash is used to mean the working directory, so I can type !lab to mean the folder in C:/PowerShell breakdown. In File Explorer, when you navigate folders, you can use the back button to go to a previous folder. In PowerShell, something called the location stack is a way to have something similar to navigating through the browsing history. So from the current location of C PowerShell breakdown, I will use the command push location to add the current location to the top of the location stack and change the location to what's specified. When using a get location, I can add the -stack parameter to view the location stack. Each time I push to another location with push location or alias pushd, I can see that the current location has been added to the top of the stack. To change locations to the one at the top of the stack, I'll use the pop location command or alias popd. I can continue to do this, each time returning to the previous location and removing the current one from the stack until the location stack is empty. If your workflow is a bit more advanced, you can create multiple location stacks by specifying a stack name by adding the stack name parameter when using the push, pop, and get location commands. So that concludes the video. So those are a few ways in which you can navigate through directories with PowerShell. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you learned something.